Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing boho knotless box braids using one bundle from Ywigs. So before we get started, I just like to go in and do some pre-parting. To me, this is the best way to start off. It saves you time. That way you can just get through the process a little quicker. Now, as stated, you can do 3 to 4 rows from ear to ear. That all depends on the person's head size. My client, her head is a little on the smaller end, so we did 3 rows in the back, and then we did 7 rows at the top. This size that I'm doing is a medium waist length. So that parting size will get you that look. Again, it all depends on you as a braider. And this is what it will look like once you've done your pre-parting. Real simple, real easy. And then I go in with the knotless. Now, I did speed the video up just so it wouldn't be a 15-minute video. If you guys want me to do a how-to step-by-step slowed down video on how to do knotless, please comment below. But this is how I do it. I go in for the first 3 rows in the back. I usually do two to 3 pieces of boho hair, and as I proceed to go up on the rows, like the 4th to 5th, I start to add more 3 to 4 pieces. And then once we get to the very top, we gonna put 4 to 5 or even 6, maybe 5 to 6, 4 to 5 pieces on those strands, so the volume will be at the front and at the top of your head. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk the whole video, but I do want y'all to go ahead and just continue to watch this process. And so this is the final result. Look how pretty that looks. It came out so pretty. But yeah, this is the final look, y'all. Like I said, this is just one bundle. If you're going for a fuller look, I would suggest 2 to 3 bundles of human hair from Ywigs. They have the best hair out there. I love it, love it, love it. But get into those parts. Get into that body wave. It just looks so beautiful. If y'all want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, y'all. Thanks for watching.